This emergency is being transmitted by the United States government. This is not a test. At around 9 p.m. night, there has been a weird creature roaming around, endangering others in public by making weird whistle noises, breaking in houses one by one and killing them.
This creature has been confirmed to be hostile. Do the following instructions. Stay indoors, do not make noise, close and lock all windows and doors. If you encounter this creature, call 911 immediately and run as fast as you can. If a family member goes missing, do not try to investigate as you may be putting yourself in danger. Do not open the door to anyone and stay hidden until we give the all-clear message. This emergency is transmitted by the United States government. The creature has now been identified as Death from Puss in Boots. He is a fictional wolf-like character, wearing black clothing, his sclera is red and has black irises, and is extremely dangerous. He is an exceptionally skilled and powerful fighter.
It is likely impossible to outrun him, as you may have a low chance of escaping him. At this time, if you are not in a shelter, seek immediate shelter. And we still recommend you to not exit your shelter for any reasons. Do not open the door to anyone, even if they sound human-like. If you suddenly hear whistling noises near you, hide into a room with no windows and call 911. This message is being transmitted by United States government. The estimated death toll is around 240,000 people. This is not a test. Death from Puss in Boots has still been continuing his path of killing other remaining victims. Sadly, we do not know when this crisis will end. We haven't found any weapons that can kill this dangerous wolf.
At the meantime, if you don't have a shelter, go into a nearby building and hide. Do not open the door to anyone. Even if they look human-like. Don't open the door to strangers. If you come face to face with death, it is likely impossible to escape them, as your fate is decided. Remember to keep hidden at all times and do not exit your shelter for any reasons. Stay safe. We interrupt your programming. This is an emergency being transmitted by the United States government. The situation is just getting worse. Death has approximately killed 600,000 people already. Cops have tried to stop this creature, but they have not succeeded and have been killed by death.
We advise everyone in a lockdown. Do not leave your shelter for any reason. Do not panic, as it will make it worse. Death has the ability to sense fear. We are running out of solutions to stop this horrible event. Military have also attempted to end this tragedy, but have not been able to capture him. Stay indoors and block all entrances to your home if possible. If death is near you but not has seen you, hide immediately and call 911. Do not try handling death on your own, as you will get yourself killed.
Tom, we are losing people and death is nearly killing everyone.
At this point, I don't know what to do. We have tried killing him and hiding, but he still manages to find us. What should we do now?
We only have one thing that we haven't tried: nuclear bombs. It may sound crazy to send nuclear bombs to our own place, but if it means taking out that beast, then so be it. Let's send them.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Death has killed at least half of the population on Earth. Seek an immediate shelter. The entire army has failed trying to kill Death. Nukes have been approved and are launching.
If you do not have a shelter, go into a nearby shelter. If this works out as planned, we will give out the all-clear message. If this does not turn out good, then humanity is doomed. Stay safe, stay hidden, and good luck. This emergency is being transmitted by the local authorities. This is not a test. At around 5 p.m. we have launched nukes and it turns out that the results are in. We failed. I am sorry to tell you this, but we failed. Humanity is doomed. There is nothing we can do.
Since there is nothing we can do, follow these instructions, gather your loved ones and friends, including anything that makes you feel comfortable, take your last moments as he is coming for you, death is upon us all, may God bless you.
Well, after all these years of enjoying life and living good, it has to come to an end.
Live your life.
Wait, what?
This message is being transmitted by local authorities. This is all clear message. You are free to exit your shelter at around 8 p.m.
Death has come to me and decided to spare me, including all of you. You may now exit your shelter.